What we doing? Yo, what up, y'all? It's Dougie.
Vision.
Baby. And we here. We in Delaware. We're in Delaware. We have 60 teams of 4 bowling for $6,000. It's called Rep Your Set. Hey, we got Elise here. We got Nate here. We got Dougie. It's Dougie, Nate, and Elise.
Vision.
It's not TV.
It's Dougie Vision, baby.
It's Dougie Vision, baby.
He didn't want to put his hat on, so
I got my hat on my
you
head.
guys get to see his bald head. Oh, did he tug that? Alright guys, I've been trying to edit a video so you guys missed a lot of this game, but Nate was having issues with his slide, and no surprise, Brandon's the lowest on the team so far, and it won't load. There we go. Alex was A, Nate is B, Justin C, and Brandon is D, I think, yeah. Wow, this is a very impressive game.
Let's go!
Okay, after some technical difficulties, why can't I speak? Nate is now finishing his test. Oh, we got lucky. We got away with one. There was a good 10 minutes between that shot and the last one I recorded. Good job, babe! Oh, we got the music. The music is starting. Great. Nate had 228. I just found out I'm bowling with Justin and Dean on Friday. So that'll be fun. Watch out for that vlog. Alright, 233. We're getting bigger as we go down. Must be nice to have all those revs to get away with shit like that.
Go.
That's pretty good. Okay. I definitely thought that one was better than the first one.
Yeah.
They are bowling on this pattern right here. This is not a house shot.
Take your score sheets with you. Keep your score sheets with you. You're going to turn around and get the scores.
So they're going to shoot 873 for this first game if Brandon gets 2. Don't do that, sad face. Okay, 7-inning update. Nate's going to start his striking spree right now. Oh, that's like the 3rd, 4th in this game. Okay, trying something new.
Carry.
It did in fact not carry. Hey, just curious, did you find what you were looking for in the ground?
Yeah, where I need to be because I keep freaking forward.
Okay, just curious. Got rid of the forfeit.
There were 29 teams in the 5, and that pays out 580 to the squad leader. If you're in the 5. Your final score. Go!
I'm assuming he tripped it out. Good job. Dirty dog. That's 235 for Alex. Oh, did he just stutter? Oh my god. How did I get that on camera? Oh, Alright, let's see if he can pick it up. Well, it doesn't matter how I left it. He's gonna pick it up. Different ball. 7 a different way. 207. Nate shot 226. Nate is not pleased. Not pleased over here, and Daddy's not pleased. Okay, with this pair, Brandon's got 205. Low man on the team again.
Not get there.
Oh, didn't get there. 204. 872 for the total. There he is, the man.
I seen him at the damn in the video on Instagram. You know what I'm saying?
That's not me.
Tapping the bed. Yeah, that was you, upside down. You know, Brandon.
We haven't done an update.
Update.
Why don't you want to sit next to me?
I've gone 220, 220. We've gone like 880, 880. So
Actually, 870 or 874, 874.
there we go.
Very consistent.
Yeah, and I've had more soul changes than ball changes because each pair is different.
You're making me scared to bowl.
Sorry.
Thanks. Now I'm not bowling. I'm assuming it didn't hit it. Speaking of hitting it, if you want to go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now, that'd be very nice of you. I think I saw a messenger. Four in a row. Yay!
Go, Justin!
There you go. Throw your purse at it.
Fifth place, J-Hole. Sixth place, Aiden Davis. Seventh place, Jesse Coates. Eighth place, Kobe. Ninth place, Tommy McLean. 16.
Did I get it?
66.
Okay.
Handicap out of game 2. First place, $350.
Like that. Like that. How many is that in a row? I think it's 6. I gotta keep going. It's like a slot machine. Oh, I lied. He missed in the middle. I didn't remember that. So he did throw a turkey. Shove? Did not shove enough.
Give me one!
Oh, come back. Okay, 246 for Alex, 231 for Nate. We got Justin bringing in the rear, hopefully striking out. Okay, now they made the top 16 and it goes in a baker and they bowl the 16th place team and they bowl 2 games, 1 on each lane, and that's it until there's a winner. All right, we're gonna look through Alex's pass. That looks like it went Brooklyn, but I don't think it did. All right, Brandon's gonna let us know if he struck.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
Oh, we love that.
Hey, my spare, that's it. Right here, Chewy! Right here, Chewy! And 2! Sir, we're good. Come on. Okay, ready, read. It's okay. Read! All right, good night. No, baby. Brad, you got no one better than that, Brad. Hold up! Let's go! Let's go, Nick. Let's go.
They're quiet over there.
Hey, mama! Yes! Hold up!
There you go.
First one! Yes! Oh, no, look! Hold up! We don't need more! Give me one other left! Yes! Get him out of here!
Oh, goodbye. Do you want to turn the lights back on? We're back.
Shit happens. The only thing that I regret is I hate the way I put the lineup together. We had a team discussion and, you know, the lefties were okay with where they were at. They had confidence in us righties to get it done. Our look went away. Theirs got better. Sucks. But it was a great time bowling with Justin, Brandon, and Alex. I would do it any day of the week. We qualified second, came up short, is what it is. Shout out to the guys that bowled well and won. Now it's just time to get some rest and wake up at about 7 and get over to the bowl and do it all over again. I have doubles with Justin Knowles tomorrow.
And I guess for those of you who are like wondering, he's up $800. So we'll try to keep track of it throughout the week.
Woo.
So people know.
Yeah.
Because maybe you guys are wondering.
Yeah, so we're up 800 right now, which is great. But yeah, let's keep it going.
We need more. We need like 20,000 more.
I'll be happy with 10 racks.
You got 1 rack. That should be enough.
I like the 1 rack. Hopefully I'm going to go see the 1 rack.
Goodbye.
See you guys.